welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, Beauty Forever Hair sent over this gorgeous, literally so gorgeous U-part wig. Okay, so this ombre color is giving, and I feel like it might feel or look a little bit intimidating if you see it on camera, just like taking it out of the packaging. But you guys, I promise it was literally the easiest install ever. Oh my god. So, since it's a U-part wig and you know your girl loves a bust down middle part, I did go ahead and follow up with that bust down middle part like I should, like I do. So my hair was already pre-straightened, you guys, and I just kind of left some leave out in the shape of a U. And I am going to install this unit today with the combs that they provide inside of the unit. And I also did the adjustable bands on the back because it really helps with making that U-part wig feel very good and safe and secure, so you can wear it with, you know, ease and no fear that your wig might be moving or sliding or come off or anything like that. So since it doesn't come with clip-ins, you definitely could install your own. Maybe just sew those in, glue them on, whatever you would like, or you could just use those combs, which is what I'm going to do today. So I installed the wig first without trying to, you know, go ahead and lay my leave out down. I wanted to focus on the hair, and I'm just going to straighten that out. I put my flat iron on 450 degrees, and you guys, that hair straightened out so good, so straight, so beautiful, nice, shiny, slick like silk. It was so sleek. It looked so good. I was really obsessed. So even after the video, I was like, I'm wearing this wig tomorrow. Now the color, like the ombre, is a tad bit bright. You could tone that down with like some toner or something, but personally I like the color. I will wear the color like that, but it is bright. I'm not gonna kid you, okay? It's not like dark brown. It's giving almost orange, but it's cute. It's real cute, and it's perfect for this season. So I'm just going to straighten out this first side on my right side first and show you guys the comparison between it being straightened and then it being in its natural state. You, of course, can definitely wear it in the natural state if you would like, Me personally, I like it how it looks straightened, so I'm gonna straighten it, okay? And in total, this probably took me about 15 to 20 minutes to straighten. I'm pretty sure I had a few pieces that I probably missed, but it doesn't take that long. And it's very thick, you guys. It is very thick. It is very long. They are giving you life with this wig. The density is everything, so I really like it. So this is what it looks like once your girl gets finished. Once I've laid down that leave out and straightened out those little pieces that might needed some attention. I went ahead and trimmed the little ends on the hair where it might have had some little scragglers. And it came out with perfection. Like I was honestly so pleased. Like, I mean, I was pleased. Like Beauty Forever Hair, you did that with this, okay? Because like getting colored hair, you always want to feel like it's good quality, like it's been taken care of, like it was treated and colored with care. And that hair felt so soft, like so soft. I'm not even kidding. So if you guys are interested in this unit, the link will be in my description bar below. Thank you to Beauty Forever for sending over today's hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.